Namaste. I, JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology, going to deliver a lecture on the topic test, which is belong the subject assessment of learning, and the discipline is BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, fourth semester. So, I have already discussed the definition and the concept of test in my previous lecture. Here I am going to discuss about the type of test. The test actually is a measure the ability, knowledge or performance developed during the course of learning. Here there are two types of tests given to assess the knowledge of students. They are: first is teacher made test and second standardized test. Teacher made test, these are actually designed by the teachers for the purpose of conducting classroom test. These test made test can be the teacher made test can be in the form of the written test. Tests have a limited area of applications and are prepared almost by all teachers according to their requirement. Requirement means classroom and the students' mental level they can check. After that, they conduct tests according to their level. Teacher is more concerned with the teacher made test, as she or he is directly involved in its construction. Moreover, the teacher made tests have an advantage over standardized tests because they can be constructed to measure outcomes directly related to classroom specific objectives and particular class situation. These tests are within the means of every teacher and most economical. In next point, the teacher made oral tests are designed to measure the performance of students' skill like listening or speaking in a language learning. Written tests are designed to best the ability of students' knowledge, comprehension and written expression. Now we talk about the standardized tests. These tests actually one which norms have been already established, like 10th board examination, 12th board examination. Like norms have already discussed about that. The test has been given to a large number of students. A norm is an average score which measure achievement. So every standardized test has norms. It is intended for general use and covers a wider scope of material than is covered in an ordinary teacher made test. A standardized test is one in which the procedure, apparatus, and scoring have fixed so that precisely the same test can be given at different time and places. A standardized test is one which have been given to so many people that the test maker have been able to determine fairly accurately how well a typical person of a particular age or grade in a school will succeed in it. The role of standardized test, they are basically given points for the role. Information becomes easier to convince the guardian of students. Second, information in much less time than provided by the other devices. Information for all guidance workers. Next, aspects of the behavior which otherwise could not be obtained. Objective and impartial informative about an individual. Now, there are some steps which are involved to design the standardized test. To design, First step, standardized test is tried out and administered on a number of subjects for the expressed purpose of refining the items by subjecting the performance of the standard decision to pertinent statistical analysis. The steps for the standardized test is constructed by test specialists or experts. There should be proper planning for that. Adequate preparation is also necessary. Try it out of test. Preparation of proper norms should be declared already. Preparation of a manual containing instructions or of administering a tool or test. And last, item analysis. These were the steps. Now if we talk about the teacher made test versus standardized test, then what will be conclusion? That standardized test is based on the general content and the objective common to many schools all over the country, whereas the teacher made test can be adapted to content and objective specific to his own situation. Second, the standardized test deals with large segment of knowledge or skill, whereas the teacher made test can be prepared in relation to any specific limited topic. Third, the standardized test is developed with the help of professional writer, reviewers and editors of test item, whereas in the teacher made test they usually relies upon the skill of one or two teacher. The standard tests provide norms for various groups that are broadly representative of performance throughout the country, whereas the teacher made tests lack this external point of reference. Now there are some characteristics of standardized test. Standardized tests are based on the content and objectives of teaching common to many schools. Not just one, but a team of experts are involved in the writing of test item. Item analysis is done on the basis of pilot study, unlike in the case of classroom test. Norms are calculated for the purpose of comparison between graders, schools, age, level, and success. Next point, they cover large segments of knowledge and skills. And 74 test manuals are prepared for them. Fairly large same, not just one class is involved in the standardization of a test. Teacher made Teacher need to test student performance. Test results are critical not only because they affect career but because of the influence they exercise on motivation to learn. Teacher must be aware of different testing techniques because they give useful information to both the teacher and the students. Testing techniques are often similar the teaching technique but with a different purpose. Now what are the importance of these testing? There are some points that describe test tell the teacher what the student can and cannot do, and here are how successful the teaching has been. Second point important, that they also tell the teacher what areas need to be taught in the future. Third, the test tell the student how well they are progressing and where they need to focus their attention as learners. And fourth point, regular tests also encourage students to take their learning seriously and give them a series of definite goals to aim towards. Here are some similarities between tests. They are both means of performance assessment. They both use the same type of test item. They both require validity, reliability, objectivity, and efficiency. Now, in last, we observe some differences between these tests, teacher made test and the standard test. They are as follows. The classroom test may have more content validity than standard test. The quality of the test item on the standard test is usually superior because they are prepared by test specialists and are revised on the basis of actual try out and item analysis. The procedures used in administering and scoring standardized tests are carefully described and they are standardized for each administration of the test. The student's score on a standardized test is interpreted on the basis of norms already developed on a large sample, but the student's score on a classroom test is interpreted in relation to the average score of the classroom students. Standardized tests are always accompanied with test manual which reported data on test validity and reliability and provide direction for test administration. Such information is actually usually not available for classroom test. So, thank you. This was the lecture about the test. I hope you understood all. Thank you.